In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join and earn with Hostinger's affiliate program. If you've been looking for a way to monetize your online presence, whether it's a blog, a social media account, or a website, this could be a great opportunity for you. So let's get started and walk you through the entire process. First things first, you need to navigate to Hostinger's affiliate program page. This page is essentially the starting point where you'll gather all the essential information about the affiliate program and how you can benefit from it. Once you've arrived there, look for the Sign Up button. Clicking this button will lead you to a registration form that you need to fill out. Make sure to enter all the required details accurately, like your name, email address, and any other requested information to ensure a smooth registration process. Don't worry, this step might sound a bit mundane, but it's crucial for setting up your affiliate account with Hostinger. Once you've completed the registration form and submitted it, Hostinger will review your application. Upon approval, you will receive your unique affiliate link. This link is essentially your key tool in the affiliate program. It's a personalized URL that tracks the referrals that you generate. The importance of this link cannot be overstated because it's the method by which Hostinger recognizes the traffic and conversions that you bring in, allowing you to earn commissions. Next, you'll want to start promoting Hostinger using this unique affiliate link. You have a plethora of options to do so. Perhaps you have a blog where you can create content around web hosting, or maybe you're active on social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter, where you can share this link with your followers. If you manage a website, this is another excellent avenue where you can integrate this link, perhaps in the form of banners or articles that relate to web hosting services. The key is to be creative and genuine in showcasing what Hostinger offers, which will make your promotions more effective and appealing to your audience. Finally, earn commissions for each successful referral you make. Every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and proceeds to complete a purchase on Hostinger's website, you earn a commission. These commissions can accumulate over time, offering an excellent financial incentive for your promotional efforts. Keep track of your referrals and commissions through the affiliate account dashboard, which provides user-friendly insights into your progress and earnings. That's all there is to it. By joining Hostinger's affiliate program, you can turn your online platforms into profitable ventures. Remember, consistency is key, and the more effort you put into promoting Hostinger, the greater your potential rewards. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your affiliate journey.